Okay, so I had to change the stitches because it was pretty big for a baby mitten, but this is just a demonstration so you can knit anything you want using this technique. See? You can make cases for your phone, your cell phone, for your iPod. Okay, if you want to make it straight, what you do is you just bind off, just regularly bind off, and it would be a square. But as I said, I wanted to make a mitten. So what I'm going to do is I am going to knit these 3 stitches together, the first 3, to give that mitten look. Okay. Just like this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to knit continually